Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. So today we'll be designing a new flyer, which is a new week flyer. This is just a normal flyer that you see around. So I'll be dropping the free PSD file for you guys to use for your project and everything. So let's start. So I'll create a new page which is 2000 by 2000 pixel, like I always do. Then this image is an AI image. It was gotten from FreePix. So let me start from beginning. So first of all, I draw a shape, something like this. So this is the shape I used, something like this. Here's what I did. Let me say I came to my shape tool here. I drew something like this. Then I unhook this. Then I have something like this. Sorry, something like this. I just say 100. Then I draw this one, something like this. So you have this. So that's exactly how I got this shape. Then this drop shadow here that I used, let me turn on this layer. I used this drop shadow for value, drop shadow, opacity 79, multiply, distance 32, speed 19, size 95, noise 0. Then I brought in this image. Let me bring in the image. So this is the image here. So I created a clipping mask of the image. So I have something like this. Note, we already have a camera effect here. I had to deepen the image to make this area by the left very bright and this one very light, so it will have like a focus in the middle. So I added the camera filter to it, and I brought in my lady image. So I'm bringing our image, Ctrl V to paste our image. Oh, sorry. Ctrl V to paste our image. So I added camera effect to this image. Let me show you the values of the camera that I added to it. This is the value: contrast 50, texture 0, clarity 25, DA 3, vibrance 20, saturation 7, exposure 0.4. So this. So here's what I did again. I duplicated my image. Then the down image, I added the color overlay to it. Color overlay, something like this, to kind of a black. And I came to my filter, to my blur, Gaussian blur, to add that shadow effect. Then I click my right button, I do something like this, and I reduce my opacity to have that shadow kind of effect. That was exactly how I got this. So next I brought in my text. This text right here. I'm sorry, it's still trying to get to load. Yes, brought in my text. I have something like this: happy new month, happy new week text. Sorry, it's taking a while to load. You have something like this. Then I did something here to blend the image. I created a new layer, clipping mask, something like this. I added solid color, which is this. Then I changed the blend mode to color. I reduced the opacity to make it blend a bit with the background. So you have something like this for your image. Then you can bring in your text. You can decide to have fun with it. It's a simple design, something like this. Then you have something like this, this overlay. But don't worry, I'll be dropping the free PSD file for you guys to use. So it's very easy, very simple and straightforward. So that was literally how I got all this. all this design. So you can bring in your text, this and this. It's a new design. You can change the color too. You can try to change the color. You can try to use any kind of image to it. You can play around the center. You can play around. It's a fun design. It's fun. So I'm dropping the free PSD in the link below. Please do download and watch my other videos. Thank you very much.